What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management. I'm alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan, and today we want to talk about the hidden costs of vacancy. Cassie, let's talk a bit about vacancy. I think most people only think about it as missed rent, but we've got a slightly different perspective on that.
Yeah, you're still paying your property taxes, insurance. Sometimes you're paying utilities on a vacant property or the landscaping, right? There's things that can still happen. And when your property sits there vacant, you're open to vandalism or additional damage or unexpected repairs.
Yeah, the truth is when a home is vacant, the neighborhood usually knows, right?
Yeah.
So what's our strategy to prevent some of those things that you just mentioned?
Yeah. So price it right from the start, get it listed quickly, get those turnover repairs done quickly, market hard, and let us get in early on those renewals to prevent the vacancy altogether and get everyone going, keep them in the property, keep them happy.
Yeah, arguably that's your greatest way to combat vacancy is to make sure that you're working with the current tenants and doing so early so that you can get them to renew. Then your property is, of course, inhabited. That all adds up, though. That vacancy, the things you just mentioned, the way we combat vacancy, how we market hard, how we price right, how we handle these lease renewals, it all adds up, right?
Yeah, for sure. So, another things that we're considering when it comes time to renewal is, okay, if we keep the current tenant and if it's a small increase or a large increase, how do we prevent them from moving out? Because when they do move out, there's additional turnover costs. And again, if that property sits there for 1 month, it's like $2,000 of rent and maybe another $1,000 or two for turnover costs. That's $4,000 that you didn't plan for.
Yeah, so it goes without saying there are lots of costs to vacancy beyond just the rent coming in. We want to make sure that we come up with a strategy to mitigate that risk for you. If you're interested in talking about your property, please reach out to Patriot Property Management today.